Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a mini barbecue. So basically, if you have not, say you went out camping and you need an emergency way to start a fire with only a lighter, nothing to put it in and nothing to cook food over, scissors, and an empty can like this. So basically I'm going to be teaching you how to turn this into a grill. So basically it's really simple, because all you need to do really is to just cut it down the middle. It has to be cut all the way round, so yeah, I'm working on that. So yeah, I shall show you when it's done. I'm almost through this metal ring by here. So yeah, I can't seem to cut through it, but yeah, I think I've got one round here somewhere. Have I? Yep, I have. Basically, you can use two of them. You can use both halves. That's what it should look like. I've got one. So basically, once you've done that, you need something to grill it on. So I would recommend putting fence and barbed wire on there. Then all you need to do is put some coals or paper and stuff underneath, light it off, and then put whatever you want to cook on top of it. That you can also put another half on top like this, and that will make sure no gases or anything leaks out. So yeah, if you head over to Keira.R.L's channel, he has actually posted a better version of this. But yeah, peace.